how to add celebrities on Snapchat. Now this is a very simple process. So before moving on to that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's just jump in. Now to add your celebrities on your Snapchat, it means to subscribe to their Snapchat. So first open up your Snapchat, go to the search bar, and then search for the celebrity that you want to add. Now let me just search Kanye, and there you can see on the top it will just open up this page. Now you can see for this star right there besides the name to check if this profile is verified or not, and then just click on add. After you do that, you can search for more. Let's just search for Weeknd, and as you can see, Weeknd does not have a Snapchat, but this is how you add celebrities on Snapchat, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.